Have you been wondering how to shoot your fashion content for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and all of that? In this video, I'll be sharing with you 6 proven tips that will help you shoot your fashion content like a pro. If you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Ellen. I talk about fashion, beauty, and daily lifestyle content. If this sounds like something that interests you, please do hit the subscribe button. The very first tip I'll be sharing with you is choosing the right equipment. So you need to invest in a good camera or smartphone that will actually help you to take high quality content, high quality pictures, high quality videos, and all of that. You also need to invest in tripods and stabilizers, as this will help you in taking like stabilizing shots. Yeah, stabilizing shots. You don't want your videos to be shaking, you don't want your pictures to look somehow. You need to invest in a tripod also. So like me, I take pictures myself, so yes, I use tripod. So in case you're one of that like taking pictures and video by him or herself, you need to invest in a good tripod. Second tip I will be sharing with you is to pay attention to details. So you need to pay attention to details, from the clothes you'll be wearing for the shoot, to the place you'll be using for the shoot, to the accessories you'll be needing for the shoot, and to the background where you'll be shooting. You want to pay attention to details, how you would do it. Is this space suitable for what I want to do, the kind of content? Is it okay for the kind of content? Like, do you get what I'm saying?
Guys, this is the background of where I used. I saw it while paying attention to details.
Number 3, plan your content. You need to take your time to plan the kind of content you want to deliver. From the clothes you need to be wearing and the background you need to be using. It is very important. So when planning your content, I would advise you to jot them down. Don't feel like I have magnetic brain and all of that. You need to write down your plans. I feel like when you write it down, you'll be able to follow it through. So don't play with planning your content. Always plan your content. Always write it, from the kind of content you want to do to how you want to do it, how you want to, the poses and everything you want to do. You need to plan it. The type of videos you want to take, if you are taking videos, where you want to take the videos, how many shots, how many clothes, all those things. Just plan it. Just plan it. Write it down. Write it down. Okay, you'll be like background number 1. This, that, the clothes. Once you have the kind of look you're going for, that will actually help you when planning your content. I don't know if you're getting me. So for example, you're like, okay, I want this, I want to do like a bad bitch kind of thing. So you know that, yes, I'm wearing a bad bitch kind of clothes. This is the background I'm using for it and all of that. Sorry, I'm using bad bitch, but I think you get what I'm saying. So yeah, that's it. So number 4 is to make sure you use natural light. And for your information, yeah, I don't know if anyone has told you this, but for planning and shooting your content, natural light is the best. Natural light is the best. I don't know what anyone have to tell you about that, but I would advise you to use natural light. So yeah, I think that's all on that. Number 5 would be to take as many pictures as possible, as many pictures and videos as possible. Take plenty. It's your phone. And I always advise people to do this because it actually gives you a whole wide range to choose from. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So imagine you take like 50 pictures, and even out of the whole 50 pictures, trust me, you see like 2 or 3 or 4 that best suits what you're going for. So I always advise people, take as many pictures as possible. Take 50, take 100, take 200. It's your equipment, it's your camera, it's your phone. Nobody's going to arrest you. Do you get? That's on it. Period. Take many pictures. Take plenty pictures. Take plenty videos.
Guys, this is what I meant by take as many pictures as possible. I took close to 200 pictures and I just took 6 at the end of the day.
But 6 is to edit your pictures and photos. Yeah, so for this, I always advise people to like do their research and browse, search for good editing apps. Trust me. So for me personally, I use Adobe and I use Lightroom. I think there's this other one I use, I think Photoshop. I really can't remember, but the one I use constantly is Lightroom. There's no way around that. Lightroom, period. Then for my videos, I use CapCut, the free version. I don't have to pay for anything. I'm also an hustler. I'm hustling for this, and you're telling me I should be paying for videos. So trust me, CapCut is actually the best. You don't need to pay for anything. So guys, that is the 6 tips I have for you today. So you need to follow this step by step to have your nice fashion content for your social media. So by that, we've come to the end of the video. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section, and let me know other videos you would love me to create. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you for subscribing.